what skeleton is? Skeleton is actually just a framework of bone. Means the bones are just joined to give the structure to our body. Okay. And let me tell you one fun fact, student. When you were born, there were almost 300 bones in your body. And as you grow up, the bones are just 206. Isn't it very amazing? Okay. Then let's see the function of the skeleton. Means what are the functions? What work these skeleton do? Actually, these skeleton, they give shape to our body, as I have already told you. Just the structure to the body it gives. And secondly, it protects the soft organs. All the organs inside the body, it has been protected by the bones. I will give you one example, like the brain, it is protected by skull, isn't it? Brain is somewhere inside the head, skull, and this is the bone, skull bone. It protects our brain. So this skeleton, it consists of skull, spine, or you may also say the backbone, this one, then the rib cage and limbs. Student, now let's see skull. So skull, as I have already told you, it protects our brain. Okay, and there are 22 bones in this part, skull, and only there are 8 bones. They are interlinked, they are interlocked together to protect our brain, and rest of the 14 bones, they are over here in the facial region, and out of that, this lower jaw, this is only movable. Means you can see in your face, only this part is movable and rest is fixed, and it helps us to eat and talk as well. Okay, bone or spine. So as I have already told you that this is the skull which protects our brain. So I have already marked over here skull. Then this is the spinal cord. Okay, and these something like these twisted form of thing, this is a vertebrae. And there are almost 33 such types of bones, 33 bones, they join together to form a vertebral column. Vertebral column. And these vertebral column, they actually protect this spinal cord. Something that just in front of this backbone, there are 12 pairs of bones which interlock together to form a cage, and this cage is known as rib cage, and this cage is made to protect our lungs and the heart. We all are having 2 hands and 2 legs. So generally these 2 hands, they are known as forelimbs, and these 2 legs, they are known as hind limbs. Now let's see how are these hands and legs attached to our body actually. Okay, so I will explain it to you with the help of one just a rough drawing, with the help of a drawing. Like see, this is a skull, and here this is spinal cord. This part somewhere here, this is our hand. Okay, and this this is a shoulder part, and this shoulder, hands are attached. Okay, so where is it fixed? These arms, they are fixed in shoulder with shoulder girdles, and these shoulder girdles, they consist of a shoulder blade. These shoulder girdles, they consist of shoulder blades and a pair of collar bones. Okay, so keep it in mind that these shoulder girdles, they consist of a pair of collar bone and shoulder blade. Then this is how our arms are attached with the shoulder. Now we have 2 legs also. Okay, so legs have 2 parts. If you see, there's something very thick part, and then here comes a knee, and then this part, this is the knee, means this part, this lower part is joined with the thigh with the help of knee. Okay, and this thigh, very commonly we all know this name. Actually, this thigh bone, it is called as femur. So you can write down femur is a powerful thigh bone. And you know, student, one thing that these thigh bone, they actually bear the weight of whole body also. Okay. So now, but where is this thigh attached with the upper part? Actually, this part, this femur, it fits into the hip girdle. This part will be the hip. So it fits over here with the hip girdle with the help of what? Ball and socket joint. Okay. So this is fixed over here and this lower part is fixed with the help of knee. And then one last thing to tell you all, that the bone, it is the long bones, they are hollow and they are filled with soft, spongy, fatty substance called bone marrow. The skeleton. So what did we know from that? That this skeleton gives shape to the body, strength and support our body also. And even the internal organ, they are protected, like the skull, it protects the brain, the rib cage, it protects the heart and lungs, and the muscles are attached with these bones, and so the movements are possible. And one more thing I have told you, student, that these bones, there is hollow inside and it is filled with bone marrow. And there are two types of blood cells, that is white and red blood cells. They are produced by bone marrow in this hollow bones. And the white blood cells, they fight foreign organisms that invade our body.